Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Esther. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So I'm Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hello everyone. How you all doing? Welcome to my returning subscribers. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. Yes, I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So today, this video is not a palatable one, but at the same time, I have not come to bash anybody. I have only come to seek answers. Like, I am really bothered. I'm really bothered about THER's death. I'm from Edo State. I grew up in Lagos, and my both parents are from Edo State. I would cheat precisely. So THER is a Delta girl. So it's not like she's my sister or my cousin, but she's somebody I really love in the gratitude. Yes, the gratitude is Coza choir. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, you might need to check my previous video, or probably you have heard about the vlogs flying about THER's death. I'm just here to seek answers. I'm worried. Since that girl died, I've been so worried. Like, how can a young lady of 31-year-old died in pregnancy? The most pathetic one for me is the fact that she's a member of Coza, and she held Coza with high esteem. She held the gratitude with high esteem. She was passionate about her career in Coza, the gratitude as the case may be. So she's not somebody that would die and she would just go like that. She would just be unnoticed. So I'm here to ask some questions. And if anybody can help me at the comment section, maybe there are some videos that I need to see that can cool my mind. But for now, I'm just worried. I'm just putting myself in THER's family's shoe. Like, if THER was my junior sister, how would I be feeling? The girl died. Few days later, the gratitude came out to debunk what the vlogs were saying. I even carried that vlog to say that, okay, THER had a good relationship with the gratitude, so maybe what the vlogs are saying is not right. The gratitude took out time to record a video of more than 15 minutes to explain the whole thing. Few days later, just the day THER died, or a day after THER died, they brought down that video that they used in explaining what happened, their relationship with THER, their relationship with their death and everything, which was cool, explaining to the world because the world wants to know. So my question to the gratitude, please, if you are watching the video, kindly tag them. Kindly share it with Coza members. Maybe they can just answer this question so that my own soul can also rest. I don't know why I'm feeling that I should talk about this. Why did the gratitude put down the video they use in explaining their relationship with THER and to explain everything about THER's death? The gratitude, why did you pull down the video? Why? That is one question. Number two, this is to Coza as a body. Reverend Fatoyibo, Pastor Fatoyibo, with all due respect, if THER was your daughter, would you not even say a word on your Instagram page? You are a public figure, sir. THER was a public figure, sir. So our case should not be that probably you have spoken to the family and every other person. No, we are THER's fans. People like us want to know what's your stand on it. THER died during 12 days of glory. 12 days of glory is going on like nothing happened. Morning, evening. And Pastor Fatoyibo, I didn't see you saying anything about THER's death. THER is one person that carried you on her head. She will write on her blog or on her Instagram, who is your daddy? This is my father. This is my mama. Pastor Modele, ma, please, you did not say anything also about this thing. If THER was your sister, wouldn't you at least honor her with a post on your page? Papa, wouldn't you have at least honor her with a post from your page? Somebody that honored you with her life before she died. THER was always honoring the papa, the mama, always, always. Now in her death, even the day before she died, she still had a post on her IG talking about 12 days of glory, encouraging people to join, anticipating the program. Now the girl is dead. You people did not even say a word. I'm not judging, I'm just asking questions. Maybe the Lord told you not to say anything. It's okay. But my heart is paining me. My heart is paining me for this girl. So the gratitude, please, why did you take down the video you use in explaining on your page on IG? Papa, Mama Modele and Papa, why are you people not saying anything about THER's death? 12 days of glory is happening like nothing. And this is to say, if I was there too, or all of you that are in that choir, I'm sorry to say, can you see what is happening? Can you see? I'm not saying Papa is not called. I believe in his calling. I believe in his preaching and everything. But couldn't you have at least honored this girl with a post? Even if it should be, we regret the announce the passing on of. She was somebody that served the church 5 years of her life. A talent, came to serve the Lord, and she was under your tutelage. Something happened to her. Couldn't you have at least? That's another question. My third question, because THER is always talking about Papa and Mama, Papa and Mama. But 12 days of glory just continue as if nothing happened. That is THER. That when she mounts pulpits, when you see the gratitude, the way I love THER is because when she comes out, even though she's somebody that she's always wants to be at the back, she doesn't push. Whenever she has an opportunity of holding the mic, it's a team, I know. But the way people are handling this thing is not going well with me, and I'm crying in my closet. But THER is a public figure, so we need to address our issue publicly. People don't sweep that girl under the carpet like that. Coza, people should not sweep it. No appearance at all. I had to write it so that I won't forget what I want to say. Even on Mama Modele, no appearance, people are not saying anything. Toba Jomo, if she was your sister, not even one post to honor her. And the gratitude, please, why did you people take down that? Because people are saying things and we are refusing to believe them. But now you want to make her to start believing them. Please address it. Then finally, congratulations to one of the team members in Coza, in the person of Vicky. Yeah, one of their team members in the gratitude. As a matter of fact, she was among the people that were sitting down. She was the lady that was sitting with the other members of the gratitude to explain their relationship and what they feel about THER's death and all those things. The lady in person of Vicky, she has put to bed, and we say, congratulations, Vicky. Congratulations to you. I rejoice with you and your family. That's a good one, something to lighten our mood. But nevertheless, please, Coza, do better. What happened? Why are you people doing? Why? Let me know at the comment section. Maybe I'm missing something. But for now, I need answers. And if you don't answer me, I'll still come back to do this video. I pray that the Holy Spirit will comfort the mom, because I don't know what the mother is feeling like. If you did not watch the burial of THER, I have a clip that I put together. Check it in the description box, or just go back and watch. THER was a twin. When the brother was reading her biography, the guy was literally broken. He was broken. So I can imagine what that guy is going through. They are just twin, young people. It's not going to be easy on the twin. And then the church is just doing as if nothing happened. That's THER, somebody that is popular at that level. She was a star. She was a star. Even in Nigeria, somebody that was going for competition as at 9 years ago. Please, Coza, people should do better. And the gratitude especially. Why did you pull down? I know I don't have rights to ask you, but THER is a public figure, so our issues should be addressed publicly. Why did you people pull it down? Why? And you just left? No. At least if somebody dies, there's a space of mourning. The Bible says, rejoice with those that are rejoicing and mourn with those that are mourn. You don't just move on like that as if could matter. No, the girl, THER too much. She passed that level. She's too much. So guys, I'm going to drop 1 or 2 videos of THER so that we can just keep the memories of THER alive. You can't just sweep her under the carpet like that. It's too much to be swept under the carpet. I'm not happy, and I thought to do this video. If somebody can answer me in the comment section, I'll be glad. I'll be really, really be glad. But for now, I'm not happy. Please watch the video to the end, and I'll see you at the end. Thank you.
Your twin brother. You really pay me, Sha. I never expected it to be this way. I'm still dreaming. Seriously. After the dream. I remember when I grew up for secondary school. My director, Mr. Ogava, so rest in peace. He always tell me, say, for life, if something happened to another person, not news. But if it happened to you, not reality. Reality hits me. As I stand for you, so I not misstand. But by the grace of God, by the grace of God, we can move on. You know, life no balance. You know. All right. Some small message when, you know, just take my short time to do a modo and not too long. THER has gone to the other side. But we, the Aposhi family, we stand strong. THER told me that she did not die, rather she transformed. I don't want to use the word transmogrify. You know, I see THER when Jesus Christ, he tell her, my daughter, you have won. You this little good girl, you have won. I want you to come to the other realm. You understand? It is very painful, sharp. Hello, I did short of words.
TJ, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
THER till we meet again.
My sweet THER, my baby sister. We all grew up together. You know, we went for different competitions together. I'm not as good as THER. She's my younger sister. She sings far more better than I do. You know, she will always tell me, we'll get there. The last time we went for Project Fame, during my audition, I just did my thing and they said, so sorry, you can't go further. I cried and cried.
No longer
make his face shine upon you, be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Amen. 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 Like I said, I'm still awaiting an answer. THER, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Continue to sing with the angels. You are an angel. Continue to sing with the angels. We love you, but God loves you most. Please, if you have answers for me, drop it on the comment section. Just help a sister to heal, because I'm hurting because of THER. I'm really, really hurting. It's not right. Thank you. Please like the video, share it out. Like I said, if you can tag them. Maybe we'll have somebody that have answers for me. Please like the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Like I said, my name is Esther, and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. It's a happy place, a joyful zone where we keep it real. This is not my regular video, but this one, I can't just ignore it. I can't. Thank you.